Hello everyone, welcome back to another Bag Collector video. Today is November 28th, 2025. It is currently 2:55 a.m. Eastern Time. I came to the market expecting to trade a little bit of the London session in case there was some range, decent volume, but I found to my surprise that the market was not moving. As I was driving here, I took a look in TradingView and I looked at the charts and I saw that it's not moving. That was strange, I thought. But then I pulled up the news and I saw that indeed there is a problem. The markets have been halted. CME futures options trading is halted due to data center issue. Okay, so according to investing.com here, due to a cooling issue at Cyrus 1 data centers, our markets are currently halted, CME Group said. Very interesting. I've never seen this before in my 10 years career. I know it happened in 2018. I wasn't there on that day, but it's definitely interesting to see this happening live. The markets have actually stopped. Quite wild. Yesterday was an amazing session. I mean, looking at price action, it doesn't look like something amazing happened, but I very correctly identified what the market is doing in terms of range. I noticed the pattern that we are hitting the downtrend on the high time frame, pulling back to support, bouncing, coming back to the downtrend, dropping, hitting the support again, bouncing. And so after seeing that happen a few times, the market has shown its hand. And so I thought I'm going to take advantage. When we hit the resistance, I'm going to go short. When we pull into support, I'm going to go long. You guys can see that in my previous video. Later in the afternoon, I took one more trade. I posted that out to my team while I was taking it, and I went short into a gap close on the 2-minute time frame because yesterday I saw that there were multiple intraday gaps being formed and respected and arriving again, right? So I took advantage of that, expecting this gap here. You can see a little space between these bodies. That's what I'm referring to, and waited for price to get there. I jumped in short on some sign of weakness. Right away, 15 contracts, my stop was above here, and my target was a gap fill here. So just like that, got filled, made an extra $250 or so across 4 accounts. So that's an extra $1,000 for the day. Ending the day up around $600. Okay, so around $2,400, $2,500 for the day. Just took advantage of behavior that I saw the market had shown me, and I expected it to repeat, which it did. Now, of course, eventually we do, stop a certain behavior and the market does shift, right? So we broke over this downtrend and made our way up, and now we are halted. Now, when we unhalt, I expect this buy side liquidity to be taken out. Okay, 25375. We're going to see what the market does from there. If it breaks over and holds above, well, we can keep moving up towards the next destinations. But otherwise, if we fail to hold above here, I am expecting a pullback down to 25285. But most likely not today. Okay, it's a half day. There's no range, and when we have no range, there's no volume in the market. You want to be very cautious. Okay, you don't expect follow through, continuation. There are fake outs, and typically we end up trading in a channel in a range. Okay, so be very cautious if you decide to trade today. Very interesting times. This halt is definitely the highlight of the month in the market. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and trade safe if you decide to take part in case this unhalts. Have a good one, guys, and have a wonderful weekend.